Hi there, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sehajpreet Singh and I am super excited today to share with you all the unboxing of my brand new Acer Predator Helios 300. I have ordered this from flipkart.com and it is the latest 2019 variant. The variant which I have ordered is powered by Intel i7 9th generation 9750H CPU and comes power packed with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 6GB graphics card. This has a 144Hz IPS display with 15.6 inch as the screen size. And without wasting any further time, let's start the unboxing. So here is the box. I'll quickly cut it open. I can see a good nice plastic wrap inside. We'll have to open this also. Let me quickly do that too. This is really a nice packing by Flipkart. So let's have a look at the box first. Here we have the seal and the branding Predator Helios 300. According to the MRP, it says 1,60,000, where you can easily get this one for 1,10,000 at Flipkart. And no cost EMI options are also available. It's time to unleash the monster. So in the box, first of all we have the laptop itself and we have a black envelope. We'll see what we have there inside. And not much more, just the charging brick in this one I suppose. And that's it for the box. So let's see what we've got in this envelope. It has this really cool Predator badging on it. First we have the setup guide, a quick guide. Let's keep this documentation away and let's open the laptop. It feels a bit heavy. It's 2.5 kgs, which is okay in front of other gaming laptops. Let's open this up first. And it's high time. Whoa, there we have it. The premium feel which you get from the wrapping itself is great. Let's open it up first and let's see how that really looks. This document says to put the laptop on charge before the first boot. I'll quickly put it on charge. Till then we can see how it looks. This comes with a 16 gigs DDR4 RAM and supports dual SSD with one HDD. This one has 1 TB hard disk installed along with a 256 GB NVMe SSD. The third slot being empty for aftermarket upgradation. It has the 4th gen Aeroblade cooling technology with 4 vents, 2 at the bottom and 2 at the rear, which we can see. These vents also add up to the style of this laptop. Talking about the ports on left of the laptop, it has a charging port, the charging light, the power light, LAN port for Ethernet connectivity, two USB 3.0 ports which support data transfer rates up to 5 Gbps, and then it has the aux port. Talking about the right side, it has a USB 3.1 C-type port, the USB 3.0 generation 2 port which supports 10 gigs of data transfer per second. Then it has the mini display port along with the HDMI 2.0. One thing is missing from this laptop. It does not have a SD card reader. Let's boot this thing for the very first time. That was a cool sound, and I think it will always come when we turn this thing on. It is taking quite a long time to boot for the first time. Okay, so I'll set up Windows and we'll be back. So here we are. It is really a very smooth experience with this laptop. Let's quickly press the dedicated button for Predator Sense and see what all we can do with it. First of all, we have this feature to control the fan speed. It becomes a complete jet plane at the maximum fan speed. Now let's talk about one of the most attractive components in this laptop, the 4-zone RGB keyboard. By default, it comes with a static lighting of blue which matches the theme of the laptop. But we can control all the 4 zones separately, as we can see. It also comes with variety of dynamic variations, like this is the wave, then we have zoom, this is shifting. We can also change the direction from left to right or right to left. And this is neon. The colors will keep on changing automatically for the complete keyboard. The Predator logo at the lid also glows and adds to the glory of this beast. The build quality is quite durable and appreciable. The lid can be lifted using a single finger without any wobble.
That's all about the unboxing of this laptop. I'll be thrilled to share with you all the user benchmarking scores and review once I have a good hands-on with this machine. Also, if you liked the video, please press the like button, consider subscribing, and if you are interested in my further videos, please turn on all notifications by pressing the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I post a video. Thank you.